I'm gonna show you how to hack any Roblox account. So first, what you're gonna wanna do is enter Roblox. Next, go to more, scroll down, press switch accounts, and press add account. Create new account. Next, you need to, okay, never mind, just make any date, use any name. Bro! Like use any name, then press next. So in order to hack somebody, you need to know the password. The password has to be the exact same, like the exact same. You need the password. It's not going to work. You need the password. Like you actually just need the password. Like you need it so much. Like you need the password. It's not possible to hack into anybody's account without getting the password. Anyways, that's it. Bye. Bread.